In Africa, Sage 300, and this is no word of a lie, Sage 300 has never been stronger. So what I've noticed, and I've always noticed this over the years, whenever we've had opposition to our product, we tend to grow, because what happens is they look at other products, not even close to what we're offering, not even near the technology we have, and we grow because they realize they can't go there, they've got to come back to us. Okay, so introduction by Bobby Perel. You see, I'm still around. I have not retired. In spite of all the rumors, I'm still here. If you look here in the last one, 2022 to 24, we had 20% growth of renewals per year. Okay, so in the last 3 years, we've had almost a 40% growth in 2 years of renewals. And that is phenomenal. That is really a huge growth mechanism, showing that people are happy with the products, happy with the third-party products, knowing that they're getting a consistent result, knowing that they can do their month ends without issues. And that's what we have got in the Sage 300 marketplace. Solid base, solid technical expertise in our solution providers that are like yourselves, that are able to install. And let me tell you one thing, and that is the magic of Sage 300. The technical expertise in Sage 300 in Africa is unbelievable. You guys know what you're doing. You guys know technology. You don't just waffle off about cloud and about all these fancy words. You actually go in there and you're at the coalface. You have to deal with the problems. You have to deal with any issues at month end. No one else is going to help them except you. And that shows your solid technological expertise by the renewal growth we get. 3,000 in Africa, including South Africa, is a lot of clients. I would say one of probably the most for a mid-market product. Now, we've put over 100 new features into Cashbook in the last 7 years. I think I've got bugs. Yeah. Look at this. I've got a bug. Sorry, I tend to be a bit naughty. Sorry, Francois. Carry on. We came to what are we going to do for 2025? And then we sat down and we thought, hold on, they want to email the remittance advices. Okay, so we've added the emailing of remittances, which is a great feature. We've also added authorizations, okay, which we are enhancing all the time as we get to use it, because we want to improve it to the point where it's fully automated as well. Sage Bank Feeds is already in 24, but even better in 25. And then, of course, we have more EFT audit reports, which we can discuss at the end. Okay, we're not selling peaches and pears. We're selling a very, very intense, very technologically advanced product, way advanced. In fact, I would say so advanced that people don't even realize how advanced the 300 product is. It's got a huge future. If not another 10, maybe 20 years. I'll be in my coffin by the time that arrives, and I'll still believe it'll still be going very strong. The ISVs are giving us solutions. Peresoft is a leader in that. I will say that to you now. We have led the way in providing you with a solution. And the Rec Express product is a good example of where we are trying to take the product. What I was trying to do right from the beginning is to automate Rec Express at a point where it does most of the matching for you, most of the reconciliations for you, retrieves the data automatically, and allows the user to sit back and just click a button and watch it do its own thing. And that's actually where we're at.